Oh, that was thick. This is so thick, y'all. I was screaming, we need cans, baby. We need liquid. Thank you. I'm glad y'all are enjoying. Nobody in here. Y'all wasn't talking no more. I said I done made such a goddamn mess. I'm stressed out about having to clean this shit up. That's the only thing I absolutely hate about this is the messes we make. Oh, thank you. The squeezes are so good and shiny. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm glad I got my nails off of this. Y'all put me to work tonight. This was a nice 6K celebration. And y'all deserved all the free products and stuff. This was well deserved. Well deserved. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Alright. Everything is so perfect right now. I'm obsessed. Oh, thank you. I am glad you are enjoying. Alright, let me add these cans. What was that?
2 boxes.
Where's King at?
He's upstairs. He ate some cereal.
Why did he eat cereal after I told him if he didn't eat his dinner, he wouldn't eat no snacks?
Yeah, because he was eating that.
When I say this tote is full, y'all, that was right on time. We got these last cans to go in, and ain't nothing else gonna be able to go in. It's so full. Rinse will be tomorrow. Who is that? Tata?
Yeah.
Who is that you telling move to?
Can't remember where I was like, ooh.
I know.
You been having fun.
Y'all heard my daughter. She said, yeah, you been having fun.
You got all over your face.
Is it on my face?
Yes.
Yeah, it might take me a good old shower. Do my little face.
You're gonna want to take a shower, right? You got it on your neck, your chest, your arms, your shoulders, your face.
Y'all heard that shit?
A little bit on your bottom end.
Is it on my bonnet?
A little bit.
This is not in the hair. Where's King? Cause I'm about to
He's in the punching phone down here.
Well, he about to go back upstairs because it's time to go to bed. 10 o'clock.
He was sitting there while I was laying, so I was going to move.
Yeah, he's about to go back. I'm about to get him settled. I'm doing these last few squeezes and I'm about to get him settled for bed. Z laid out your clothes. Let's go.
But I can't think it, but I just look really something. I like something. Oh my god.
I'm gonna just add all the kids. That's it. Like I said, my face.
You know, some red warmer, some hot topic just wearing them.
She been had my bed boxing for her.
Yeah, but the black ones.
She got some pink and brown ones and she got some beige and brown. Which one she wearing? She told me she was gonna wear the beige.
You want some pink and black or brown?
The brown.
Black or brown.
Oh, I just found another can, y'all. That's cool. I ain't gonna put it in there around. I'm just gonna dump around. And that is it. That concludes everything. I appreciate you. The last 7 cans just went in.
You should look at the folks from school on Wednesday.
What's Wednesday?
You should read it.
But what's Wednesday?
Never.
So why you want to stay home?
Good. I like to stay home with you.
No, thank you, Taylor. You want to stay home with me? Gosh, she knows my schedule. This is crazy.
And I want to go tomorrow because we have peace. Just peace.
You're not going to CEP in the morning. You hear me?
What?
You're not going to CEP in the morning, but you're going to go in the afternoon. Okay? Is that fine?
I don't go in the morning somewhere.
Okay, can you please just listen to me? I didn't say you don't go in the morning. I just said you're not going tomorrow morning.
You might want to clean off like those toads right there.
Huh?
Look beside you.
What?
Look at those stuff.
I know. That's why I said I gotta clean up. I'm about to clean. Thank you. These gonna sweep them out down here. And I'm about to. Thank you. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for all the senders. I appreciate y'all so much. That's right, gang. Big 6K. And each time we go up, 7K, 8K, it's gonna get bigger. Every time. Y'all, there's so many clumps in here. Let me just move this out. Gonna get bigger and bigger. So y'all done filled the whole goddamn soap. I think the gang got on y'all's ass about that Black History Live. Y'all understood the sound this time. I'm gonna get some of these onions out of here for this one. To call my daughter down here to help me so I can get done quick so I can get my butt in the shower. Got the kids' hair done and everything for the night. Bed, everything, so I can just handle me now. Shower. Eat me another stuff. Pepper. Yeah, there's cans available. You can call me right when I was about to get off. So if you want the cans, let me know. I'm just moving it out. There's cans, baking soda, wrong one. What you want, because I'm about to get off. I was about to get off, but if there's something you want before I get off, I can get you together before I do. I'm sure the people in the live on mine, they was enjoying it. I had to get the last 7 cans in, but I have 35 cans left. Said edit.